I think this one, right? This one. Can you turn on the TV? Input button. Signal for him. To connect with this with my laptop.
It's not receiving the reception, right? TV doesn't have intelligence. TV doesn't have intelligence. It cannot understand which
So
component is.
go to training has detected new audio hardware.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah, it's good, right?
Yeah. Now the sound is also going here. Your sound is what is click?
I didn't click anything.
No, that one, yes or no?
Yeah, I did yes.
Huh?
I did yes.
No, but it didn't get it. Hold on. Don't click it. New audio hardware detected. You are not using. Oh no, so there are online people also, right?
Mm-hmm.
There are online people also. Oh, okay.
Not right now.
You cannot have it.
New hardware, right?
If you are new hardware, sound audio hardware is going there. Click on not right now. Yeah. Yeah.
It's good.
Now you can connect with your. You have to follow through. Audio. You have to follow.
Okay, go on.
That is the reason I'm looking for it.
If I connect
This
it,
is an audio device. This one is an also audio device.
okay.
So, you understand the problem?
Yeah, we should
There are
use this one.
two audio devices with creating conflict. And then follow.
Sorry guys, few more minutes. We are trying to connect with the big screen on the class.
No signal. Press input button.
This is
This is not it. This make any difference? Is the old working good?
yeah, it's connected before.
I saw it. Connected. That doesn't work. How does that help me? Give me a second. The problem with training. Click on not right now. So this thing is okay.
So everyone is good, right? We're back on track. I believe everyone is not having a problem. So since everyone see the screen, right? So if it's yes, just then I can start. So to start with, just type MySQL. And it's going to take you to the mysql.com, right? So just click on downloads. So you just don't need to do this. Just go back all the way down, like MySQL Community Edition, right? And MySQL Community Server, right? So over here, you're gonna see like so many stuff, right? MySQL that download zip archive. So I don't want to download the zip file. Just then click on go to home download page, right? So you see this MIS installer, like 273 megabyte, something like that. So just click on download here. Begin your download, right? So you don't have to do login or sign up, just no thanks, just start my download. Okay. So someone in the class requested to go over again. Type MySQL in the Google. So if you type MySQL, you're gonna get mysql.com, right? Are you there up to that point? So guys, I'm doing with the Windows right now. So once we finish with the Windows, I'm gonna go for the Mac. Okay. So over here, you up to over here, right? Go to downloads. You're on the download page. Go to community edition. Then you don't have to like do anything with this SQL connector or something. No, just go to MySQL community server. Right? Yeah. And right here, you see the go to download page? Yeah. Right? Click on there. And you're going to see download MySQL installer, right? Yeah. Over here, you're going to see the second one. Windows 86 32-bit MSI installer, download it. Since I downloaded it, I'm going to open it, right? No, you don't need to sign up or log in. Just say no thanks. Just start download. So let me know when you guys are ready. Like you downloaded it, right? Because I already downloaded it. Are you guys up to here? Still downloading?
Developer default or full? Which one should you think? Developer default?
Where?
That's different. We're an upgrade for adding command.
Okay, so you have Windows, right?
Yeah.
So what's your name?
I'm not on. I'm not logged in.
Why?
I don't know. I didn't register before.
Okay. So does anybody has Windows right now? Yeah. So because I have already installed, so can I make you presenter? What's your name? You're not logged in, right?
What they are
You left. Because I already installed in my machine and it's like saying upgrading community, so I don't want to mess up with anything. So that's why I want to show with you a different machine that is not installed.
Developer or
Developer.
developer? Okay, let's do developer next. Okay. What's that connector J? Is that on Windows?
Yes, connector J. No, you also need for the Mac, but I'm gonna show you on that part when I do with the Mac. So you have to. So in the meantime, everyone is until that point, right?
Yeah.
Guys, everybody is until like everybody installed downloaded MySQL installer, right? Yeah, developer default. Okay, so 3704NY, right? So 704NY.
Yeah.
This one, right? So I'm gonna make you presenter. So yeah, developer default. Click on next. Yeah, next. I don't think so. So you have to you have to put next. One more product requirement is satisfied. Still upgrade. You want to continue? Yes. Go back. Go back. So here is the thing. I want to like developer default. Like it's a huge thing. It's gonna take huge time to install it, right? So once I learned from the previous thing, from previous class. So when I downloaded it, I downloaded with the customized it. So I downloaded it what I needed for the machine, like to run the SQL. Right, SQL queries are MySQL. So just click on custom. So over here, you see MySQL servers applications, right? So before you do that, you need to download MySQL connectors J. So go to your Google and type MySQL connector J. MySQL, not MySQL. So this connector J. So you see this one, the first one. So you're gonna see the operating system, right? You see that? Select the operating system. Click on that. Platform independent. Download it. The second one.
That for Mac also?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's called MacTube. Yeah, no thanks, just download. Yeah, you have to expand it.
Said no thanks, it's on my download, right?
Yeah. Extract it. Click on that, extract it.
Hold on 1 second, just hold 1 second. The new location?
Online, you guys are all right?
Right click. Landlord. And try to extract it. You don't have window. You don't you do the columns. Yeah, location. I do. This is more. I think
Just keep it there. Yeah. When I show Mac, you don't have to do. Mac is really easy. You just with the brew, right? With the brew, you have to do with the brew. So Homebrew will like do everything for you. You don't have to do anything. So just Windows is little bit complicated, like when you download it and like set up. Online is you guys are all right. But if you like, don't worry about anything. If you can't like do it on you, I will go and make you as a presenter and take a look what is going on with your machine. And if it's like still like not fixable, come tomorrow at the campus and like we'll try to fix it. All right, guys?
so mine has right?
Okay, so it's downloaded, right?
Yeah.
Now open that window. No. Slow down. Minimize it. Minimize it. Now minimize this right here, right? So click on MySQL Server because I'm customizing it, right? Click on MySQL Server. Server 8. Click on that. It's already, everything is there, Visual Studio. It's already there, right? So let's, I'm going to check this, my workbench as well. It's already there, right? Visual Studio Shell Router, ODBC, connector C++. You don't need the connector C++ because we're not working with the C++. It's going to make your machine slower. So just...
You can't hear anything.
You cannot hear anything?
No, concentration, right?
Okay. Guys, you guys can hear me or no?
I have a question. Do you need to download the SQL Workbench also or not?
No. It's already in there. You have to modify it, like push it inside. You understand what I'm saying? Like, remember, you just click the developer option, right? When you, yeah, I'm doing the customized one. When you did the developer option, is automatically everything inside. So just you want to take something out, like you don't need it because we're not working with the C++, are we? No, right? So you just click on that C++. Click on that C++. Click. Yeah, there. Yeah, and you see the green button right here. Green. Click. Yeah. Yeah. .NET, Python, Python 2. Shell router, you can take that out too. Python right there. MySQL documentation. Sample examples, take that out too. Connector J. Now go back to here, MySQL Workbench right here. No, keep it there. Workbench. Yeah, click on the plus sign. Plus sign. It's already there, right? Just we are checking. Now go to MySQL connector. So connector ODBC, no. Connector J. Connector J. It's already there. Now next, hit next. Next. Oh, yes. So ready to install, right? Everything is ready to install. Everybody, like, hold on, don't click anything. Are you guys up to this point or not? Online? Windows users, are you guys up to this point or not? Okay, let me check what you did.
Yeah, but then we have to download it one by one.
You don't have to do with this.
No, he collapsed everything. You know, he got the double error. I'm going back down.
That's what you click on that. Take it.
That you want.
Just don't worry about that.
Now go to this one and then okay? Go back. You can also do multiple selections.
Whatever you don't need, just do it. I know what this is for. I just need to do the connection. Yeah.
So ODBC shell is not really necessary, but so you are good.
I can do it.
Now everybody is up to here. No audio. No audio. Okay. So everybody can hear me now? So everybody up to this point, ready to install? Yeah, like shell and ODBC is not really necessary for us. You know, like, but since we selected, it's there. Now everyone hit execute. Installing. Up to her. Anybody has any question? Very good in the class?
Yeah.
Muchas gracias. ¿Sí o no, Luis?
Sí.
Mr. You doing?
I'm trying to record,
Online guys, are you guys having any trouble? Mr. Parvez Ahmed, you good?
You just configure this part.
Alan guys, are you seeing that some of the top thing like MySQL Server 8.12 has completed? You guys see that or not? If you don't see, let me know. Okay. You see why I asked you to not to do the MySQL shell and connected ODBC, because it's taking too much time to downloading it. So remember I asked like all of you guys to do the MySQL server, Workbench, and connector J, because these two we don't really need it, but it's taking too much time to download it. We're almost done, guys. All right, guys. So we're good, right? Up to here? Yeah. Okay. Everybody online? Online people, are you guys up to here? Complete? Everyone complete? Because I can go further until like you guys are done.
Yes, it's done.
Okay, yes, done. So click on next. Rashid bhai, click on next. Click on next. So read everything here. I'm just kidding. Click on next. You don't have to configure anything over here. Click on next. Click on next. Click on next. Yeah, it's called root password. You have to set the password for this. Just put that anything you want. But you have to remember you have to log in there. Put a password that you can easily remember.
It could be weak, right?
Yeah, it could be weak. Guys, online guys, are you guys here? You guys could set your password, right? Please guys, response. If you guys are confused, like weak or weak, medium, or like strong, put like at least 50 digit in there. Then it's gonna be strong. I'm just kidding. It's gonna work. That's why I say if you can put ABC 1, 2, 3. You can put anything you want, but you have to remember it when you have to log in into the MySQL. Online guys, are you guys set the password? Then click on next. Hold on. Go back. Go back. You have to add a user. Put your name. Yeah, the password you entered before, put the same password here.
No, go back. You say again?
No, you have to add user, put the name. Online, are you guys okay? You put the same password, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. It doesn't mean it doesn't matter weak, strong, because you have to learn like how this process have to, because they're gonna ask like, okay, in the office, like set MySQL, install it in your machine. They're gonna give you the access. So this is like something you need to know. All right, you're gonna see that your name, username, and host it, the module sign, and DB admin user role, right? Everyone, hold on here. Everyone get to this point. Say yes or no. Okay, sounds good. Now, click on next. Next. Execute. So everyone is getting there, right? Initiating the database, starting over. What's your name, sir? Farhan, you good?
Yeah.
You having that? Yeah, take a little bit more time, like, you know,
You're going to go home.
No. All right, guys. So it says the configuration for MS SQL Server 8.0.12 was successful. Click to finish to continue. Configuration conflict, next. So, since we downloaded that Microsoft MySQL shell, right? So we don't have to launch it up, just uncheck the box. And since someone like didn't do it, you don't have to do that as well. So just both, uncheck both. Did you uncheck it? No. Close it, close it. So close it. Everyone go to the command prompt. I mean, it's not command prompt, like type in here, Cortana. Type MySQL.
Which one?
You see that MySQL 8-point command line? First one? Click on. Make it a little bit bigger. Enter the password.
I think you'll hold the back one.
The first one, command line. Online guys, can you guys type MySQL on the type here to search? Just 1 second. Give me 1 second, guys.
No,
It's like other way around.
That was a week ago.
No, it is like.
Oh.
No, not that.
Like, damn, nigga, that was a week ago.
Yeah. So, awesome, right? I already opened it. I'm fine. It's fine. Yeah. Just can you guys open that the MySQL command prompt, MySQL command line client? You see this screen? Online. Enter the password.
Oh, yeah.
So everybody has this. Oracle is registered trademark. The Oracle Corporation and its affiliates, and other may trademarks of the respective owners. Try help. Yes. Now, can you type show databases? Basis. Semicolon. Show databases. It might be different. You have to put the semicolon all the way in. Show databases. Semicolon. Good, right? Everybody good online? No. What happened? Mursalin. Who is Mursalin?
That's me, but he was not loading. Did you start?
So online guys, I'm gonna wait. Open what? Okay, I'm gonna wait a few more minutes to finish everyone up. So everyone, whoever done, they can cheer up and have a nice few moments. Just let it open. Let it. It's not started. How to play it, screen? Quit. Oh, quit, yeah. Oh, quit. No, again. Again, another word. Oh, that's the internet. Is it on? Why is it? We did everything right. It's not working. Nobody goes. No, the thing. Is it working? Is it? Still not working? Okay.
You need a shell, bro. You need a shell.
No, I don't need a shell.
Right click property. That's what I'm doing. Right click properties, right? Oh. It's 10:15. Yeah, I got it.
You have it?
How'd you open it? I don't know what I did. I went to uni, so. You can find it?
Uh-huh.
Oh, you want to mine? You want to mine vehicle?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's okay. That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah, the other one wasn't working.
Yeah.
You have
So everyone, can you go to um, your start button? Mhm. Start button. Click on the start button. Okay, so forget about it. Like type here, uninstall my program, add or remove programs. No. I'm just showing in general. Okay, add or remove programs. Yeah, right here. Click on there. Click on that. You leaving?
Yeah,
Okay, so search over here. My SQL, like Microsoft Visual, like Microsoft Visual.
Make sure you put in your pocket, might be better. It's in the bag.
Microsoft Visual. It's not showing here.
Stop doing it. What?
So not over there. Just type in this search this list right here. Yeah. Make it bigger. Make it bigger. Maximizes. Yeah, maximize this. Okay. So do you have? You see this like C plus Microsoft Visual C++ 2005 and 2005. One is 64-bit, or one is 32-bit, or another one is 86. So you have to have both.
Yeah, he downloaded 32, that's why he was talking about.
Yeah? You understand that part?
Yeah. You have to have both, right?
Yeah, you have to have both.
How would you differentiate?
So
Fine.
the size and I don't know how to expand this, make it bigger, like to
No, I think you hover over it. Yeah. Tell you. Yeah. You hover over it. That tells you. 8 point whatever. Yeah. Like down.
or you can like download it like on the Google, you can search it. Or you can, or another part you can do, I believe. Hold on, guys. Are you guys okay? Is he okay? All right, guys. Can you show your screen? No. I know you are here, but I want to see that command line. Yeah. So just put show databases. Semicolon. So everyone can see this on their machine online. Any question up to here? If you have questions, just let me know. You can speak, Luis. You don't have to write it over there. Yeah, once I'm done with the Windows, I'm going to go over the Mac. Right? Mac is easier, you know. You don't have to do anything, just brew it, you know. You have to use the homebrew, and it's going to do it by itself. That's why Mac is kind of easy to install everything. But Windows is a little difficult, so that's why I want to show everyone with the Windows. Mr. Nasir, you good? Thank you. You did it? Mac? Oh. Everyone in the class is Mac.
No, we are Windows guys.
Mac win.
So show your hand. Who is Windows? Only three? Okay, guys. So I'm done with the MySQL. MySQL now is ready to use. So there is so many SQL queries, east or west, maybe the west. Right.
How did you handle
Huh?
How did you handle mobile?
Actually, I had to. I didn't go all the way at the end. I did until the midterm, so I don't know anything about that. So online guys, are you guys good up to this? MySQL is like installed on your machine. So now next class, Mafi bhai will like start, like code with the connecting the JDBC, and that part he's gonna show how to connect and how to work with that. So now I will make myself presenter. Okay. You guys good, right? Now we have to do the MongoDB as well. So open your screen. I mean a browser. Select here MongoDB. I mean yes, this is for Windows also. MongoDB. You are here? I will go with the Mac. Please guys, just relax. How many times I told you like, I'm doing Windows first, then I'm gonna go for the Mac. Mac is really easy. You don't have to worry about anything.
How many minutes? 5 minutes for Mac?
Yeah, 5 minutes.
Can you excuse me for 1 second? Can you pass me my phone, please?
So on the top, right? Guys can hear me on online? Okay guys, so get MongoDB, just click on that. Yes. Mac users, I'm saying once again, Mac users can relax and have a... Why? No, we can't, like, I tell you, like, if you have Mac, that doesn't mean you can go first.
One time you show the...
Yeah, like
Okay, so in high school, like you go to like a standard 10 standard first, or you start from 1?
Yeah, example about the...
So guys, don't waste the time, like just finish it quickly. So you click on Get MongoDB and you have to hear this page, right? So click on Community Server.
Okay, after this session, give everyone a treat for staying so long.
Guys, if you guys talk too much, then it's gonna be late. Yeah.
Click on MSI.
So yeah, click on download. You don't have to register it. It's downloading, right? See 3 minutes left. You don't have to register it.
I mean, Mac user, they can also download the same way, right? No?
Again, just wait.
They're trying too much, people. Mac people, they're like trying. It's fun now.
No, you just type MongoDB, go to the mongodb.com, and then you're gonna see the get MongoDB over there.
Okay. Thank you.
Guys, again, Mango, not Mango, it's MongoDB.
Very important nowadays. It's very famous.
Yeah.
Every time you like it, you have like I have MongoDB. And after that, what to get? Download.
And while it's downloading, right, you have to do some. Okay, someone was combined. MongoDB.
No, they're making the job.
Huh?
They're making the job.
Oh, MangoV.
They're hungry. They're making them hungry for mangoes.
Guys, come back to Jackson Heights. After this mentoring session, we're gonna eat mango over there. So guys, while it's downloading, like we have to do something else. So this PC, right? Go to this PC, go to C drive. You have to create a folder over here. It's called data, and name it as a DB. So you see, I already created it, so I don't want to do it once again. Just, you know how to create a folder, right? Just click on new folder. It's gonna have here, just type data. Data. Another folder, inside that data, another folder, DB. Mhm.
Mango.
So it's downloaded already, right? So next, click on next. Just read everything from top to bottom. Guys, you guys can see this? Yeah, thanks, Mehdi. It's really helpful. Like you're making, I should do that too. But since you did, I'm not gonna do it. So accept it. You don't have to read it. I'm just looking. Complete.
We have to think of that. We have to make the whole page.
ডাটা প্রোগ্রাম সি কি ডাটা একটা ফোল্ডার তারপর এই ডাটা ফোল্ডারের ভিতরে একটা ফোল্ডার ডিবি just like that. Okay, so just click complete, right? So again, I have the MongoDB installed, so I don't want to do it again. Can I make Mr. Rashid presenter? Or someone else can give me a volunteer? Yeah. You? You can stay there, I will make you presenter. But
I have already installed.
you have already? Okay. So,
Okay. I can do that.
Al Rashid,
I'm not even.
you can start.
Nah. Mac to bhalo nahi lega. Mac এর জন্য বিটা হলো।
Because
Mac $1 এর মধ্যে না, সারা
So can you backtrack to making folder on this in this PC, please? So did you create any folder? The folder name? Did you create any folder in the C drive? Where is it? Show me. Data DB, right? So this is the folder, right? So mute it please. Mute it please. Okay. So go back to the installation thing. Where is it installed? Right here. That. No. Where you installed? Did you click the installation? Where is it? Click on that. What? Only let it install verified apps from the store. Open settings. Open settings. Click on open settings. Yeah, here, allow apps from the store only. Click over here. Allow apps from anywhere. Now close it. Close it. Now double click again. This one. No. Yeah, double click. Now we got it? Now next. Accept it. Next. Complete. Next. Install. Online. So do you have everything up to this? You guys, it's gonna take a few minutes to install. Online, you guys are installing? Or anyone is done? Congratulations.
Thank you for the inspiration.
So, can you minimize this window? Yeah, finish. Okay. Now go to, just open a File Explorer. Now, we have to remember when we use the, close that MongoDB, like that one, close it. Yeah, close it. Close it. Okay, let's minimize it. It's alright, don't worry. It's gonna open again. So remember when we install Java on our machine, we have to set a path in the environment variable, right? Remember that, everyone? So we have to do the same thing again. Go to this PC, open up the advanced settings, properties, go to properties, yes. So advanced system settings, environment variable. Now, listen very carefully. Now we have to go back where our MongoDB is installed. Go back to the File Explorer. Go back. Go to C drive. You see program files. Click on that. Open it. You see MongoDB? Yeah. Click on it. Server. Click on 4. Click on bin. Now, click. Oh, he already did it. Thanks, Rashid. So can you just copy it? Copy it. Go back to the environment variable. Now, see the path? Click on the path. No. Up. User variable. Some machines they use the user variable, and some machines they use the system variable. I don't know why, but it's safe to use both. See one video over there. They're installing the system variable. Right? System variable is like it's more safer. But if you have like more than 2 users, then you can do in system variable. If you are the user, like you see, local user and some other user, then you can do only for yourself to save it. Yeah. So in this case, I'm gonna use both. I'm gonna do the both because it's safer. So I don't want to crash my machine. So click, just select it, then edit. Now click on here. Next.
I have like 5.
All the bottom. No, don't delete anything.
Go down.
Go down.
All the way down.
The bottom one.
Move down.
Move down. Can you paste it over there? Mm-hmm. So
if I click on the new, it's going to work?
Yeah, click on new.
Yeah, or you can edit it.
No, click on new. No, don't edit it. Click on new. Yeah, that's what I meant. Because Windows 8, it has to put the semicolon in it on the side. Then you have to like paste it. Then click paste, right? Then OK. Okay. Now come back to the system variable. Select path. Select edit. So many, right? Click on new. Paste it. Then OK. Then OK. Then OK. Done.
Okay, yeah. So what I did,
Yeah.
like this one.
Go back to the piece system variable properties.
Environment variable. Then in fact we customize this one. Now we have to select it.
Sorry?
Yeah.
Sorry? So someone asked me to go one more time.
Maybe it's Mac.
Everybody is Mac.
He doesn't have to wear it. Yeah, do it in Mac. You want to do Mac now?
No.
Mac?
What is next step?
Next, I have to, see the MongoDB works or
Oh,
not.
yeah.
So I'm gonna go with my machine one more time. So can you follow the procedure, please? Go to my this PC, like this PC, then properties, properties, advanced system settings, then environment variables, and over here we have two different type of variables. One is user variables, another one is system variables. System variables is global for every user on this machine. Let's suppose a computer or a server, like let's say we are talking about a big server machine in an office, right? There has to be, like, there could be like so many users in there. So every user can access this path if I put into the system variable, or if I want to restrict the users, then I can put the user variable. Everyone got this point? So the reason is to do the both, because some machines, they have different setups. Even though they're Windows, some while they install the operating system, they might have some different setups. So to make sure that your MongoDB works, we have to use, I'm using both, like user variables and system variables. Sometimes maybe you have two users in your machine. One is admin and one is you. right? So let's say you set up for my admin and another one user you created later on, you didn't know before. So if you don't put the system variables, the admin can access it. If you put the system variable, admin can access it, and also you can access it. But if you put only the admin, then you cannot access later on. You understand what I'm saying? Got it? So that's why I like put both. Then you just select the path. Can you select the path? Yes.
I have a question. Like you said that if I put if I only edit the user variable, then probably the new user that I have created, you won't be able to access that, right?
Yes.
But if I only edit the system variable, which is you say something global, right? Then
every user's on your machine.
Then is it mandatory for me to edit the user variable?
No, it doesn't. But sometimes it has like some issue it faced before, like previous batch or previous class, that they used only system variable and the MongoDB didn't work. So they had to do the both. So that's why I'm not taking any risk. You understand what I'm saying? Okay. So you just click on edit and you click on new. You did it, but click on new. That way, same way, he just paste it here and click OK, right? You can cancel it.
The same way we have to do in 2 seconds, right?
Yeah, the same way. Then again, on the path, the system variable path, click edit, click on new, and that one. You see, this is already exist, so you don't have to do it. Cancel. Cancel it. Now cancel it, right? Now go back, cancel, because the machine already has it. So now go to the data that we created. You have it? Click on that. Okay. So go back. Minimize this window. Open CMD. CMD. So everyone up to this point, right? Everyone up to this point? Now hit enter. Okay, type MongoD. MongoD. No, it's small. Yeah. Enter. It's a bunch of like gibberish. You know why? Because we already create the like environment variable, right? Go all the way down, It's already there. Now you have to open the IntelliJ. Open up to IntelliJ. Online, you guys understood that, right? It did open the CMD and type MongoD there and hit enter. You see? Abby, you can hear me?
Yeah.
Online.
Yeah.
Online guys can. It's not responding. Too slow machine, right? Somebody just opened can you turn off your
আপনার গাতে কিছু নেই আমার রেকর্ডিং লাগে নাসির ভাইটা কি লেট ঠিক আছে আর
নাসির ভাই নিলে কয়টা আমারটা ভ্যান কতগুলো আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে সব ঠিক আছে
হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে
এই যে আমাদের মেইন টার্গেট অপশন পুরো শেষ বোর্ড ওয়ানে মঙ্গো ডিবি না মঙ্গো ডি
Okay. No, it's okay. You know where you're from?
No, it's my cat.
It is the same time.
Did you did that? Oh my God.
আপনি পারবেন না
ওনারা কিন্তু আকেল করে না সমস্যা আবার ফলো
So Guys, can hear me? Hello? So I'll go over the step again. Just give me a second. I need my charger.
Rashid, you are self-muted.
So you have to go file settings. Hold on. Guys. Just one second. Nabila, just. Huh? So for online guys who have the audio lost, so just one second. So let me make myself presenter, then I'll. So this is my. So everyone has their IntelliJ open, right? So go to File and then Settings. So you're gonna have this settings window appeared on your screen, right? Online. So click on plugins and you're gonna have this window. Just you don't have to do anything, just type MONGO Mongo plugin, right? You're gonna see I already have this, so I don't need to do it again. When you have the Mongo plugin, you're gonna see install. And we're gonna say install, you install it, and after that it say restart the IntelliJ again. Just restart it. The connector is gonna show with the JDBC how to do it. Excuse me. I have a little cold, so sorry. Pardon me for my coughing. So you guys pay attention here. You have your IntelliJ opened again, right? Opened again, right? Do you see at the right corner there is a search button? Right? Click on that. Type Mongo Explorer. Yeah. Click on that. Double click on that. So you have this, right? On the right side, you're gonna see the Mongo Explorer right there. Click on this button right here, the configuration button. See this? Configuration button, Mongo settings. Click over there.
have to keep the path, right? Can I have a second?
No. You have to go to Mongo servers. I told you. Go to the search. Type Mongo. You're gonna see the server. When you double click it, you're gonna have Mongo Explorer over here on the right side of your screen. Got it?
Yeah, four times.
Online. You got it, right? Good. Now you're gonna click on this button, like settings, on the Mongo Explorer. So you are up to here, right? Now path to Mongo shell, right? You just click on the three dots. Shift. Huh? Guys, follow me, please. Follow me. So you have this Mongo Explorer open.
Okay.
So you see this sign, like the range sign to settings. Click over there. And then you're gonna see this Mongo server. Who doesn't have it?
No, I also don't have it. You have to go for it. I think Mongo plugin, you have to go. We have Mongo plugin.
Did you install Mongo plugin or not? Let me see.
You can have to add a Mongo server. Oh yeah. Mongo plugin. Oh no, Mongo server. Back there. Very nice. Repeat already.
Huh? So yeah, you have to. You see that there is a plus sign, right? There is a plus sign. Just click on the plus sign. You guys clicked on? Guys, click on the plus sign. You have the labels on in, right? Add a Mongo server. Write down Mongo server. Yeah. It doesn't matter. Just write down. Okay. Click on OK. Click on that. Then you're gonna see the Mongo plugin, right? Oh yeah, path to Mongo shell. Same here, like path to Mongo shell. Do you see that? So I have in my machine, I have like three dots, and you're gonna see a file sign, folder sign over there. Is it the folder sign? Click on the folder sign. Click on C drive. You see the Mongo, program files. Program files. Where is MongoDB? Right here. Just give me 5 more minutes. Let me do this one, and then I will. Yes. Because when I downloaded it, the version was 3.6. Do you guys see this? Now it's 4. It's kind of different. So so click on bin. So after that, you can see mongo.exe. Just click on that and set OK. Yes. Yeah. Click OK and test. Do you see that check mark came in?
Yeah, it's a tick mark.
Tick mark came in, right? The check mark came in, right? Now click on apply. No, hold on. Now, just you see the plus sign over here? Right here? Now, you see the test, right? You see the check mark, right? Now, there is a plus sign over here. Plus sign? You don't have a plus sign?
After apply? Okay, apply. Okay.
Huh? Apply. Just before you want to apply that, I have a different version. That's why it's showing it like that. I want to find out where is that Mongo server relies. So just close it. Okay. So click on the settings again, servers.
Right. Although you get a file name, but it's not there.
Where? Okay, so why you guys don't have that part?
Because we have the Mongo server, right? Apply all connected. So why you guys don't have it? Why? You have it. Yeah, I haven't started. I haven't created it yet.
So when you create that label before, remember the Mongo server, right? So I want to create a Mongo server, right? Like I'm gonna name it server, right? Okay. So localhost apply. Okay. So I have the server, right? So you see this sign, connect to the server? I don't, why is not showing me that? No, I have a question for you guys. So you guys see my screen, right? So why is it's not showing me that you guys might, some of in the class, you guys can see admin local server, right? Those config, like those kind of things. Why is not showing it here on my machine? Because there's one thing. The CMD, right, wasn't opened. So whenever you have to work with MongoD, you have to remember, you have to open CMD and connect with the MongoD. Now, look at this. Now, when I keep it open, when you work with this, you have to keep it open. Then you're gonna have all this system version, config version, and that version, right? You can refresh it, you can use it, you can refresh it. That's how. So you up to this point, right? So can I make you presenter? Guys, after this we're gonna take 10 minutes break. Then we're gonna start with Mac. Yeah, that's it for the installation. Then after that, I'm gonna take 10 minutes break, and after that, I'm gonna start with Mac. So just I'm gonna go over with one more thing. Al Rashid, right? So over here, right? Probably you guys is gonna see. Click on this Mango server. Mango server. Mango server. Sorry. Slip of tongue. Click on that. Refresh it. So you have two, right? Yeah. You don't have to delete it. Just click on it. Click on it. Click on it. Yeah. You see this button here? Why is that working? Close it. Close it. Close it. Yeah, close it. Yeah. No. Don't close the IntelliJ. I just cancel it. Yeah. Then again type. If you click over here, it's already there. Just double click on the side. Yes. Why is button is not showing it? Click on settings. Click on settings. Test. Click on OK. Huh? No. You have opened it, right? Yeah, this is good. This is good. It's open. Click on OK. So guys, one last thing for the Windows users. So okay. Yeah. So okay guys, okay guys, no. So I'm going to show you one more thing. So while you create the Mongo Explorer, right? You created a label called Mongo Server, right? So there is three parts: admin, config, and local. Those are with the database, right? So click on admin. Can you close this thing? Yeah, it's yours. Close the shell. Close it. No, man. Click on Mongo Explorer. Admin, click on admin. And you see this, like this arrow, like greater than sign, right? Greater than sign. You just click on that Mongo shell. Click on Mongo shell. And on the console, you're gonna see connecting to the MongoDB localhost 270.17.admin, right? MongoDB server version 4. That means this is connected. And you're gonna write the queries in here, and you're gonna like participate, right? Click on there. Go bottom. Select star. And show databases, I guess. Enter. I think the command, I guess, is different than the MySQL. So I didn't honestly, I didn't go over it. I just learned how to install it and how to see it's working. So Mafi Bhai is gonna show us how to work with it. All right. So that's it, guys. Windows, MySQL, and MongoDB is installed on your machine. If you guys have any questions, just let me know right now, because I'm gonna take at least 10 minutes break, and I'm gonna be back at 8:40, 8:35. Online guys, have any question?